Hi guys! It's me, Annie B. At kasama ko ngayon ang aking maganda, mabait at mapagmahal na baby at pangalan ay... Tara! Look at my daughter. She's using her the crib of the doll! Sorry, I just woke up. I just decided to make some videos. Thanks for all our subscriber for watching our videos.
Mom, do you know I love library?
What?
Do you know I love library?
You like library? Later, we're planning to go to the library. It's a summer vacation.
Summer vacation?
Yeah. Look at that. Sometimes, guys, I always took a video for my daughter.
Mom, I'm eating the baby.
Yeah, don't do that. But normally, because I always leave my daughter with her auntie mommy when I was working, we've just been active for YouTube just a few weeks ago. Because as you know, I'm so blessed that you watch our videos. There's something happened at my work last week. I got been bullied, but I know, and then they're the one who told me like I'm the racist, but I'm not. But I cannot say anything because when you work in a customer service, they said customers always right.
And then they said, you're racist and then you're fired.
Yeah, and then I know it hurts, but that's how life goes. But being a patient, but the good karma that I get is I got a lot of viewers with you guys when I upload the videos. That's why I'm really thankful. Again, thanks for watching for all our videos. I don't want to do the detail about what happened to me, but actually it hurts me. But I just have to be strong. As I told you, working in a customer service, you'll get...
Mom, what's the missing one?
You'll get a lot of bullied or something. Or you can say anything because they think because they're paying customer, they can do whatever they want. But it's been 2024 now. I know that I should not be allowed that, but as an adult working with some kids, I need to show them as example that we still have to respect them no matter what. Again, thanks for watching for all our videos and subscribing us.
Ma, I think the crib.
Thanks again. Can you say bye, love?
Mom, I think I'm fixing the crib.
I'll fix it. Just say bye first. Thanks for watching.
See you next time.
Bye!